Alright, so I just got this Trane XB13. Just got this 2013 Trane XB13 air conditioner starting up and running. Has an Alliance scroll compressor, Intech fan motor. It's from 2013 and it's 2-ton. Just the line is very tight and sweaty. It's a straight cool unit. 13 series, that's very faded. Yeah. Actually, I think I might be getting a startup shutdown anyways, so yeah. A little bit later, so yeah, anyways. Thank you for watching, and over and out. Let's get actually, yeah, startup shutdown, so yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out. Let's get the shutdown now.